Most people are getting their emergency fund completely wrong in one of two directions, and both of them are costing real money. Some people keep almost nothing set aside, which means one car repair, one medical bill, or one unexpected expense turns into credit card debt at 22% interest overnight. Other people go too far in the opposite direction, keeping $40,000 or $50,000 sitting in a checking account, earning basically nothing, while inflation quietly eats away at what that money can actually buy every single year it just sits there. Here's the real formula financial professionals actually use, and it's simpler than most people expect. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses, not your entire lifestyle. Your essential expenses: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments, and transportation. Add those up, and you get your true monthly baseline number. If you have a stable job, dual income in your household, or work in a steady industry, 3 months is generally enough cushion. If you're self-employed, work on commission, are the sole income in your household, or work in an industry with less predictable job security, 6 months is the safer target. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. Once you have that number fully funded, adding more money into a low-interest checking or savings account past that point isn't actually being more responsible. It's quietly costing you growth that money could be earning elsewhere while providing zero additional real-world protection you actually need. Here's exactly how to calculate and build the right number for your own life. Step 1. List your true essential monthly expenses. Not your total spending. Just what absolutely has to get paid to keep your life running if your income stopped tomorrow. Step 2. Multiply that number by 3 if your income is stable and dual, or by 6 if you're self-employed, single income, or work in a less predictable field. Step 3. That final number is your target. Not a rough guess. A real number you're building toward with intention. Step 4. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, completely separate from your everyday checking account. This does 2 things at once. It earns real interest while it sits there, often 4 to 5% instead of nearly 0, and the separation makes it psychologically much harder to accidentally spend on non-emergencies. Step 5. Once you hit your target number, stop adding more to it. Redirect any additional savings capacity into retirement accounts or investments instead, where that money can actually grow over the next 10, 20, or 30 years, rather than sitting flat. Step 6. Revisit this number once a year, or anytime your expenses change significantly, like moving, having a child, or taking on a new bill. Your emergency fund target should grow and shrink along with your actual life, not stay frozen at a number you picked once years ago. An emergency fund isn't about hoarding cash forever. It's about having exactly the right amount of protection in exactly the right place, so the rest of your money can finally get to work. Now that your safety net is dialed in correctly, let's talk about the one phone call that can lower almost any recurring bill you have, and most people are too embarrassed to ever make it. That's next.